If you want more space, free breakfast, and a hotel in an amazing location, this might be one of the smartest places to stay in Atlanta. Today, I'm sharing 5 reasons to stay at Embassy Suites by Hilton. This location is downtown next to Centennial Olympic Park. All right, let's jump into the reasons why Embassy Suites is such a great choice. Reason number 1, the 2-room suites. One of the biggest reasons people love Embassy Suites is the space. You're not getting a standard hotel room, you're usually getting a 2-room suite with a separate bedroom and living room. This means more privacy and more room to relax. If you're traveling with kids, friends, or you just want some extra space, this is the perfect setup. Reason number 2, it is great for families. If you're traveling with kids or a group, you are going to love this setup. Parents can stay up while kids sleep in the bedroom. Everyone has room for luggage, snacks, and downtime. It makes family travel easier and more comfortable. Reason number 3 is my favorite reason to book the Embassy Suites, and that is for their free breakfast. Many hotels offer free breakfast, but Embassy Suites takes it to another level. My favorite highlight is their omelet station. You walk up, choose your toppings, and they make it fresh right in front of you. Beyond that, they have fruit, pastries, oatmeal, cereal, coffee, and juice. Reason number 4 is the pool and fitness area. You can relax and catch some sun or let the kids burn energy at the pool. Or if you need to squeeze in a workout before heading out, definitely check out the fitness center. Reason number 5 for this downtown Atlanta Embassy Suites, this location is hard to beat. It is right next to Centennial Olympic Park, and it is walkable to so many attractions. You can walk to Mercedes Benz Stadium, State Farm Arena, and other downtown destinations. So those are my reasons to stay at Embassy Suites, and that's it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.